Smart Phonics Box Level 1 is a handmade 5-in-1 practical phonics course designed by TEFL experts that is supervised, produced, and published by TEFL Cardinals. This course can be used by teachers and parents to help kids learn how to read and write the letters of the alphabet, discover letter and word starting sounds, practice reading English words with pictures for long-term memory retention. It also helps kids practice how to use words in writing short sentences. This course is designed for 3 to 6-year-old kids and is supplemented by free online lessons that are designed by professional TEFL teachers. Thanks to all the TEFL experts and collaborators for making this dream come true. Learn smart, learn with fun. Thanks again.